What do you smell over here, guys? It's pretty nice out today. She was rolling in the grass and leaves. Now coat's all dirty. I'll just wash it later. Good boy. Uh-oh. Charlie got to poop. Good boy, Charlie. Watch it, MeeMee, because he's going to kick it. I just said watch it. All right, good boy, Charlie. Where's my bag at? Come, Charlie Wally, don't go far. I'm only pick it up. There we go. That's such a good boy, Charlie. That's such a good boy. Oops. Sorry. Always curb your dogs. Right? Keep New York City clean.